Hi friends, today is Friday, August 28th, and we are learning about something very special today. Can you guess what it is? That's right, money! We're going to learn about how to make different amounts of money on the computer with some different cool websites that I'm going to show you. But before we do, let's review some of our different coins that you learned about last year. And I know a lot of you probably find this very familiar because we learned about it with the same exact little piggy bank. Here's my first coin. What is that coin? Yeah, that's right. It's a penny. And how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. You guys, I can't even trick you. Super, super fast. Let's see what else we've gotten here. What is that one? It's kind of big. It's got some ridges on the end. On the back, it looks like there is an eagle. What is that one? Think in your brain. That's right, it's a quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. Nice job. Let's look at the next one. Huh. This guy looks kind of familiar. That's a nickel and it's worth 5 cents. And here's our last one. What is this coin? Super tiny. I couldn't even trick you. It's a dime. I've got a couple of band-aids on because I was chopping a lime for my salad and I accidentally cut my finger just a little bit. So now that we reviewed all of our coins, I want to show you the cool website you're going to be doing today. So since today is Friday, I'm going to go to my Friday right here, the blue one. I know this is the moment you've all been waiting for. What's happening on Friday? So I click it. Let's see, it says find the money and click on it for today's lesson. Now I'm going to let you do that one on your own because I don't want to give it away. And you guys have been really experts at this, so I'm going to pause my video while I find the money myself and click it. Okay, I found the money and I clicked it and it brought me here. So it says click here, drag different amounts of money and count. Create 30 cents, create $1, keep exploring. How many cents is in $1? Think in your brain. 100 cents. Nice job. So it looks like it's asking us to create 30 cents, to create $1 or 100 cents. So let's see what we've got. Oh, this is a cool website. Now, the reason I like this website is because the money looks so real. So let's explore a little bit together and then you can do it on your own. So it says drag coins you want to exchange from the workplace to here. Drag the coins you want to exchange with from below to here. So I moved a dime over here. I'm going to move a nickel. I'm going to move a quarter so I can see all of them. Let's see what happens if I put a quarter. Oh, they must have the same value. Okay, so let me start over here. Because now it's asking me to have the same value, which is really cool. So let's check. So I know that a nickel is 5 cents, and I know that 1 penny is 1 cent. So I'm going to put 5 pennies. I like the noise it's making. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's see if that's the same. It's the same. So now I get all that money over here. Let's see, this says count, collect, exchange. Let's see what count does. Ooh, looks like every time I click count, I get a different amount. So if I put a quarter here and a quarter here, then I get it over here. Interesting. So I know that the value of, let's see what, 25 cents. I know that's the value of 1 quarter. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's too little. Oh, maybe it's asking me for the value of everything in this box. Well, I bet I can find that out. I know that 3 quarters is the same as 75 cents. I like to group my coins together because that helps my learning. So I had 75 and I'm going to count on by 5. 75, 80, 85, 90, switching to ones, 91, 92, 93 cents. So I'm going to write 93 cents. Let's see if that's correct. I got it right. Play with this on your own because I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Now I remember from my original question, it had asked me to create 30 cents. So let's see if I can just create 30 cents. I've got 25. Wonder if I can put it all the way here. Well, that's not going to work. Let me put these away, take out my nickel. So I've got a quarter and a nickel. So now is the time that if you want, you can take a screenshot and upload it to Google Classroom, and I can check here to see if that's 30 cents. Oh, maybe it's asking me for all this money. So once you exchange this money over here, then you'll be able to see it here. You can put it over here, and then you can check. Let's see what the cent sign does. Oh, the cent sign helps you. So if you can't remember what some of the coins are, you can click this cent sign. Let's see. Ooh, this is a cool sign. So this is going to give you some other information too to make $1. This tool is cool because I can fill up $1 with my 4 quarters. Well, I think I would have to have, let's see, I could make 25 cents by 2 tens and 1 5. Look at that. That is a really cool way to see money. Now let's see if I start over and try to count some different money. Cool stuff you can do on this website. I want you to play around, and even if it's still counting what you're putting in the bank, you can put the value right here. So if you're putting $1, you can put it in this main one and take a screenshot. This is asking you to make $1.40 and make a screenshot. So you might need to get some more money from over here to do that. And then finally, once you're finished with putting your screenshot on Google Classroom, you can go to this website and play a little bit more on your money. And you can even take another screenshot and send this one to me if you'd like as well. All right, well, that's it for our video. I hope you guys have a lot of fun playing with money because you know that's one of my favorite things to count. Have a great weekend.